Dear students, coming back to the capital budgeting portion in financial management, we had already dealt in the last few video clips discounting techniques, discounted payback method and net present value method. We had gone through regular and irregular cash flow under the net present value method in the last class. There are three more discounting techniques, of which today's class I will be dealing with fourth method, profitability index and terminal value method. Last I will be dealing with IRR. So let us look into what is profitability index method. Profitability index method or benefit cost index method is a discounting technique. It's very easy. When we look into the acceptance rule of the profitability index method, the acceptance rule formula is like this: profitability index is greater than 1, you have to accept the project, and profitability index is less than 1, you have to reject the project. If profitability index is equal to 1, then the project is at indifferent position. In the sense, it is up to decision maker's choice whether to accept or reject, because there is no profit derived from that project. Now, what is the equation or formula behind profitability index method? The formula is very simple. Profitability index or PI is equal to present value of cash inflow divided by present value of cash outflow or initial cash outlay. Let us take the same example of the irregular cash flow under the net present value method, which we had dealt with in the previous video clips. Hope that you remember that problem. Initial investment was 56,125, and by taking the discounting factor at 10%, that is cost of capital, we got the net present value of cash inflow or CFAT as 68,645. So investing 56,125 initial capital outlay, we got the return of 68,645. And in that problem, what we had done, we had compared with the net present value of cash inflow with the present value of cash outflow. As the present value of cash inflow is greater than present value of cash outflow, we accepted the project. So present value of cash inflow was 68,645 and cash outflow was, or initial investment was, 56,125. Here I am taking the same problem, so I had not repeated the question here. Here you have to take these two figures. What is it? Present value of cash inflow and present value of cash outflow. So that is the equation here. Present value of cash inflow divided by present value of cash outflow. So taking the same problem of net present value irregular cash flow, I am doing the same using profitability index. The equation is present value of cash inflow divided by present value of cash outflow, that is 68,645 divided by initial investment 56,125. What is the result? We will get around 1.223. So we got the answer. What is the acceptance rule? If present value profitability index is greater than 1, we have to accept the project. Here it is obviously 1.223 is greater than 1, we have to accept the project. This is all about profitability index or benefit cost index method. So it's one of the easiest discounting technique, but in order to do this problem, you have to first do the problem under discounting technique using NPV or NPV you have to use the technique discounted payback method or NPV and find out the present value of cash inflow. So that is all about profitability index. And the next video clip I will be dealing with terminal value method. Thank you.